Hi there, welcome again to this coding channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to change this logo in the login form. So without further ado, let's begin. Well, sometimes when developing a custom theme for a client, you might want to change this WordPress logo and put yours. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this. Actually, this is something very simple because WordPress already provide this little snippet. And I'm gonna leave this link in the description of this video. Okay, so you see, this is the logo, this is the login form, and this is the little snippet that WordPress already provide so that we don't have to do anything. Okay, just to show you there is no secret. Okay, guys. So this is it. So I'm gonna copy this little snippet and put it in my functions.php. Okay, and now let's back to our code editor. In our code editor, I'm gonna paste the little snippet that WordPress already provide for us, and I'm gonna put a comment here just above. Change WordPress logo. Okay, and after that, only thing we have to change. This is uh, I mean, the logo name. Okay, the logo name. But pay attention because this little code, gonna look inside our team folder. Okay, our team folder is Labo Web Film Portfolio. Okay, so let's check if the path is correct. Okay, after um, the team folder image, okay, the team folder image, okay, that's okay, image, and I'm gonna only put the name of our custom logo. So let's add the image to continue. The name of my custom logo is logo.png. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, just I want to let you know if you put the logo, it's not okay. You can play with the the values. Okay, I'm gonna add 139 pixels and save. And now I'm gonna go back to my I mean login, the login form, the WordPress login form, and let's reload. Okay, guys, so as you can see, um, we successfully changed the WordPress logo. If you are not satisfied the way it is, so as I told you, you can play with the value in the CSS to adjust, your logo. So guys, this is it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to drop your comment below and subscribe. Just leave your thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye bye.